Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing my review over Ginkgo Biloba. This is the now version of it. It's called double strength Ginkgo Biloba, 120 milligrams. There's 3 main benefits that I've noticed from Ginkgo, along with 1 con. So stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything. So first off, what is Ginkgo Biloba? Ginkgo Biloba is actually one of the oldest trees on the earth known to man. It's from so long ago, I read online that it's surprising that this species actually still exists. But without wasting any time, let's hop into the first benefit. Benefit number 1, Ginkgo Biloba is a vasodilator. This means it helps with blood flow throughout your body. It's commonly marketed as something that helps like your brain power and helping with blood flow in the brain. But one thing that I noticed personally from using Ginkgo Biloba, and I've never really seen this talked about on any other channel, and no joke guys, it's increased my size down there as well. If you think about it, what actually creates lymph down there is blood flow. That's why when you go from soft to hard, there's this thing when people say, oh, he's a shower or he's a grower. Well, most guys are actually growers. If you see what like a lymph size is versus a size when it's hard, it's usually a night and day difference. From just using Ginkgo Biloba a couple times a week, when I get hard, I get really hard now. To the point where yes, down there, my eggplant, my banana, I'm not trying to get demonetized, but that area has grown. After I started using this supplement, she didn't know that I started using this. I didn't tell her that I was using a new supplement, but she kept telling me, babe, I think your has grown. And the mechanism behind this has to do with the blood flow enhancement that it creates. Benefit number 2, it actually helps you if you're like me, you drink coffee. Well, coffee is a vasoconstrictor, and if you remember from my first point, Ginkgo Biloba is actually a vasodilator. These 2 things, caffeine and Ginkgo Biloba, actually work quite synergistically together. What this means in layman's terms. If you're drinking coffee and sometimes you get that headache feeling, that tight feeling you feel in your head after drinking 1 or 2 cups of coffee, well, Ginkgo Biloba can actually relieve this a little bit. Basically, you don't get as bad as a headache when you're using this and coffee together, Ginkgo Biloba and coffee together, and this allows you to work more effectively and efficiently, not getting that caffeine headache that you get with coffee. And benefit number 3, Ginkgo just makes me feel kind of smarter. The main thing that this supplement and this nootropic is touted as is to help with your brain enhancement. It's hard to describe, but personally when I use Ginkgo, I can feel the blood flowing through my brain. I know it sounds weird, but around this area, like the front area of my forehead and my brain, it just feels like I can feel blood surging through like the side of my temples. I feel like when I consistently use it, I can think through things more effectively and also do my work a little bit more efficiently. Finally, the only con that I've noticed with Ginkgo is sometimes when I use it, like especially the first time that I used it, it almost kind of felt like I had a little bit of a headache. And I think that's because from the blood flow enhancement, it really does kind of like add like an extra layer of tension to your head and to your temples. So just a heads up, if you use it and you're kind of getting like that headache, feeling a little bit tension in your temples, in about a week or 2, it should go away. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's review. Overall, I give this supplement a 7.5 out of 10. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Alton, welcome. Let me know if you used Ginkgo Biloba down below in the comment section. Drop a comment, let me know if you've tried it. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button for me, hit the subscribe button. And if you wanna schedule a one-on-one call with me, if you have any further questions or anything, the link to schedule a call is in my description down below. I'll be back with another video just like this very soon, guys.